Intensify your awareness on watching the breath as you sit comfortably in any seated posture. Let's take a moment to honor not just mothers today, mothers who brought us into this world, but the nurturing essence that resides within each and every one of us. In the rhythm of our breath, we find the echoes of our mother's love, the steady cadence of their care guiding us through life's twists and turns. Let us breathe in gratitude for the endless sacrifices they've made, the unconditional love they've shown, and the unwavering support they've provided. Every morning we embark on our journey of self-discovery through breath. Let's carry with us the profound wisdom and boundless love of our mothers, for they are our true guardians. Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible mothers out there. Each one, near or far. May the love of every mom continue to inspire and nourish each and every child. We now start with Kapalbhati, 108 Kapalbhatis, active exhalations. Starting from 108, pulling the abdomen in. Start counting in a descending order. As soon as you finish counting 108 in a descending order, discontinue the practice. Now come into a twist. Twist completely, turn your head again to do what is called equal breath Samavritti Pranayam. Inhale to a count of 7, exhale to a count of 9. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Discontinue the practice, change sides, twist the other side. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Discontinue the practice. Come back to the center. Inhale fully. Plug your ears close to a humming sound, exhaling. Discontinue the practice. Bring the right hand in Nasagraha Mudra, where the index finger and the middle finger are at the thumb joint. Close the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Close the left when you're full till the diaphragm and beyond. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. 2 more rounds on your own. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing, to purify the channels of energy, to balance the flow of energy between the left and the right sides of the body, to recenter yourself, to lead you slowly into meditation. Do this in the throat breath, Ujjayi. By rubbing inhaled and exhaled air in the throat pit, victoriously. That's what Ujjayi means. And now add 2 more counts to make it Dirgha Pranayam. Instead of 7:9, go all the way from 9:11. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Balance the breath. Reduce high blood pressure. Dirgha Pranayam for Dirgha Ayushya. Breath work for longevity. All this in Ujjayi, the throat breath. Consider your breaths as your devoted allies, aiding you through every challenge, managing you completely, from your finances to your work, from your uncomfortable dispositions to guiding you in health, nurturing you in relationships. With my breathwork formulas, overcome obstacles. Obstacles have to become opportunities for growth. Simplify your life. Prioritize your essentials. Liberate yourself from trivial concerns. Don't sweat the small stuff. Everything back then happened for a reason. Don't regret it. Don't feel guilty. Let your breaths be your allies managing you. Breaths are boundless, breaths are potent, breaths are pure, breaths are vital for combating negativity. Together, let's harness our boundless power through the boundless power of breaths. One more round. Dirgha Pranayam for Dirgha Ayushya.